Good morning, you guys. Having my coffee this morning with a mocha blast shake, enjoying the sunrise, looking at the grass that's going to be cut today. We are having a Mother's Day barbecue at my house tomorrow, and we have let the grass go all week so that we can cut it today so it's pristine for tomorrow, except for all of these dirt spots. We have grass seed, as you know, if you follow me, you know this, but grass seeded the front in some patches. We thought maybe that this season we would be able to do sod or what have you, but with me not working, we're not doing it. So we'll have to do it next year, but that's fine because the backyard is a party yard. We have bonfires back here, fire pits rather. We have people come over with their dogs, our neighbors, family with their dogs, and we really use our house. So this year it's going to be the way it is. Next year though, it's going to be a different story. As you can see over here, yesterday I did plant some more. We planted some impatiens and Dusty Miller. The impatiens will thrive over there because it's sun partially during the morning hours, and then usually by the afternoon it's all shade. You guys did see my pots over there by the shed, and then I got this little cutie to go on the outdoor table. So today Jess and I are, oh, and you know what I want to show you? Look how cute this is. Look at this, hold on. I'm gonna turn my camera around. How cute is this watering can? Guys, this is from Walmart. This is, I believe, the Martha Stewart collection. It's metal and natural wood, and it has the perfect spout for that sprinkle type of watering. This is 1.5 gallons, just so you know. And then, you know, of course, I have my little Buddha. Grateful for every single day. So there's the closer look of what I planted yesterday. Now those impatiens will fill in and spread and get nice and big. Oh, I can't wait. Did you ever see these flags? I don't know if you did. I'm putting my coffee down. Look at that one. Welcome to our fire pit where friends and marshmallows get toasted at the same time. And then our little welcome doggy, because I thought it looked like a combination of Molly Paisley and my grand dog Chevy. Anyway, that's the scoop. So the girls are gonna be hanging out with me on my chairs. But yeah, so what we're gonna do today, we power washed this all the other day. We're gonna set up some tables here so we can have our food and our drinks and the bar cart out here and whatnot. Yeah, then we'll fill in with some more chairs and things. We always do the fire pit here so that it's away from the house and not on the dirt. I love that shed, guys. Jess's recording studio is in there. It's soundproof, so it's great. And we really don't keep much. It's kind of like his little studio area because we have this basement. By the way, I want to show you this. There are stairs that go down, and we have a full stand-up 6-foot deep basement where we keep everything, you know, overstock, paper towels. We have racks, and it's nice and organized, all our metal bins and things. We do want to get a metal door though to cover. Right now we have wood, this blanket and chain so that the blanket doesn't blow off, but we want to get one of those doors. You ever see those doors that come out of the house and they slant down like this and then you open them up like a cellar door? We don't want that. We want the kind that's flat just like this, but you can lift up this way and it'll be on like pistons, basically just to keep the stairs and the door to the basement clean and dry. Right, Paige? Yeah, The girls are really good. They know not to climb on it, even though you could. I could walk on it, Jess could walk on it. And that little thing just keeps the blanket down for wind purposes right now. We got the umbrella ready to go. And the outdoor furniture. I do have to tie the cushions because look what happened. Obviously the wind blew. Let me fix that. So yeah, the outside is definitely coming along. We got one of these bins that we keep the cushions in. See? So at night we take the cushions off and put them away so they stay clean. Good morning. Here's our fire pit, and that hose, that cord rather, is going to be put away today. But yeah, see all these little dusty things are coming down from the trees over there. We have some big trees. They're not really near our property, but they shed. And there's our grill. I'm taking you for a little tour here. There's our grill, a little table that we keep while we're grilling, garbage cans. We want to get an outdoor something for the cans so they're not visible like that, because I think it's an eyesore. So if you guys have any suggestions on what we can do with that, please let me know, because I hate the way it looks. And that's it. So someday, next year, hopefully, this grass will be all nice. Hopefully we'll be able to do a 6-foot privacy fence. But for now, this is our little house. And I love our side little area here. All right, let's get the coffee. Hello, Buddha. Little cute thing. Right, Paige? Say hi, everybody. All right, so on to fueling number 1. And I will take you throughout the day as we get our house ready for the Mother's Day barbecue. Got most of the chores done inside. So right now, it's time for fueling number 2. I'm having the crunchy O's. Here's what they look like, the cinnamon ones. Just hanging out. After this, I think Jess is gonna get ready to cut the grass. And we'll get started with the day. So I'm doing something kind of interesting today. I am tracking all of my fuelings, my lean and green, condiments, and healthy fat in the Carb Manager app, because I have it on my phone and I have it set custom, which is the pro version, with the specific guidelines of Optavia 5-in-1. I just want to see where I fall. And I'm sorry I'm squinting, but it's very sunny out here. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the macros, the counts, the calories, the everything. And I'm curious to see how that goes, because I've really never done that. I've only tracked on that app when I did keto, carnivore, but I really truly want to see exactly what we get when we're on 5-in-1. So I thought that might be of interest to you. And yeah, so Jess and I are heading to BJ's in a very short amount of time. We have to go pick up some of the things for the barbecue tomorrow, burgers and dogs. I have sauerkraut, baked beans. I'm making a beautiful pasta salad. I have all the condiments, just a couple of other things I want to pick up, some appetizers, some drinks, some desserts and things like that. So we will be heading there and I will bring you with me, okay? Let's go to BJ's. All right, guys, we're on our way to BJ's, and what I wanted to show you was the next fueling. I'm at that time already. So this is the Zesty Lemon Bar. If you haven't tried this, please do. I feel like this one is so underrated. It gives you, especially in the middle of the day, it gives you this refreshing, lemony, zesty taste, kind of like intermezzo, right? Like that sherbet you would get in the middle of a several course meal. Zesty Lemon Bar. It has lemon frosting on the back, lemon drizzle on the top, and just, it's so good. I love the flavor of this. Let me know in the comments if this one is one of your favorites as well.
All remember back there night, she would come down here and meet for this surfing.
All right, so here's what we're picking up. These are just some extra things that I didn't have at home. Predominantly the meat, though. The burgers here, 85% lean. They're the best price around. Some chicken, some hot dogs, some Italian sausage, because we cannot have a barbecue without it. The rest of the things that I'm making are already at home. Got some eggs there that you saw. Gonna make some deviled eggs. And yeah. All right, guys, next shake is going to be the Mocha Blast. Ice and water. This is the package. I'm gonna go sit outside for a couple minutes and drink this and then continue mopping. Drinking that shake, though. If you are living in an area where it's becoming summer and it's hot, this is the best way to stay on track. It's just a personal opinion. Every summer that I've done this plan, it's full of shakes because shakes and the soft serve, anything cold. Plus, look at the volume this gives you with the ice and the water. You don't even need to add anything to it, and keeps you on track, and you feel like you're just sitting outside having a nice treat, right? You can add Walden Farms, different flavored syrups in here if you want. So good. So good. Look at Molly. Molly, you hanging out? All right, gonna enjoy. See you in a little while. This is 10 egg whites. 14 is the leanest, but for me that's too many to eat. So I have 10 here. And in the microwave, we have some riced cauliflower, which I'm gonna weigh out on my food scale here. We're going to need 270 grams. 269, which is close, but look how much darn cauliflower rice. This is a big meal if you're having one of those hungry days. As my healthy fat, I'm going to use one of these avocado mashes, but I want to see what it weighs on here because I'm allowed to have 3 ounces of avocado, so let's check it out. So as you can see, there's 1.8 ounces in one of those little cups. Actually 1.7. So I'm gonna open up another one and I'm gonna get 3 ounces. All right, so there's 3 ounces, which is quite a bit of avocado. And as you can see, it's like half of the container. So 1.5 containers is your 2 servings of healthy fat. And as you can see, let me show you what the ingredients are. Here's the ingredients: avocado, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. That is it. And each one contains 90 calories, 5 grams of carbs. And that's it. All right, let's get the eggs in there. All right, and I added a tablespoon of tomato ketchup, no sugar added, as a condiment. So there is lean and green. Oh my God, guys, that's a lot of food. And I really don't know if I'll be able to eat it all right now, but we are outside doing some work in the yard, so I'm a little bit hungry. All right, let me go eat this. I'll add it into that little carb manager app, and again at the end of the video I'll show you exactly what the macros were for today. So the last fueling of the day is going to be a brownie, and I'm not going to have that until a little later. We're still outside doing work. Woo, it's hot out, but I want to get the video up. I want to edit it and get it up there for you tonight. And yeah, I'll be videoing a little bit tomorrow, showing you a couple of little clips from our beautiful Mother's Day celebration. And so I'll see you tomorrow night, or actually I'll probably get the video up for you Sunday morning for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers out there. I know it's a little early, but this weekend is full of activity for this one right here. So I will do the very best I can. I'll film a little tomorrow, and like I said, I'll have it up for you on Sunday morning. You're going to see the macros of the day here. Optavia boasts a 40-40-20 split. I stuck to the plan exactly as is, and it looks like I have a little more protein than warranted. I set the calories at 1,010, I think, which is the lowest I could set it. So, you know, regardless, it's give or take a little bit, but guys, I mean, it's really close. So let me show you that now. Actually, I'm going to try to put it in this space right here. Let me back up so we have some room. And as you can see, there's the macros, very close to what we should be having. And, you know, it all depends on what fueling you choose. So regardless, it is, the 5-in-1 is a perfect way to lose weight if you're looking to do so. I'm not a coach anymore. I don't make any money off of this, just my own opinion. It worked for me. It's working for me. Mondays are my weigh-in. Week 4 weigh-in will be on Monday morning. And I'm going to stick to plan. I can't believe how well I've been doing. It's crazy. I don't know what it is, whether it's the weather change, it's hot out, but I'm just staying focused. All right. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, remember this. We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. Doesn't matter that a holiday is upon us, but we have to just stay focused. Our mind controls our action. Remember that. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.